Did you know every day people are earning thousands of dollars from faceless YouTube AI automation channels? The recent advances in AI and new software tools has made it easier than ever to get started. Now's the time to jump in while it's still early. So today, I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to make your own talking AI animated avatar for free or at very little cost. You can use it for your own brand and stand out from the crowds on social media. So let's get started. First step, create your avatar image. There's a bunch of image generators to choose from. My top cheapest picks are ChatGPT, the free version, Canva Pro, which is around $20 per month, and CapCut. For CapCut, just go to the Play Store and download it. They all pretty much work the same way. The easiest way to do it is with ChatGPT, so for this example, we'll use that. First, go to chatgpt.com and open a free account. I created a text prompt to get you started. Just copy it from the description below. Modify it as you like. Make it your own and then paste it into the image generator prompt. Make sure to specify the correct aspect ratio for whichever platform you're using. 16:9 for YouTube and 9:16 for vertical shorts or reels on Instagram. Next, click Create Image for your final image. Now we're ready to actually animate the image. There's a couple of ways to do this. You might have noticed my avatar has a mask. This isn't to be mysterious or because it has a disease. It's because I find it much easier to place clips of my avatar anywhere in my video without having to lip sync every word. Here it is without the mask, which is possible, but will take more work to lip sync. So for mine, I prefer the avatar with the mask. That way, I can place it anywhere in the video with ease. So, which software tools are best to animate your image? There's a few AI tools to choose from. First up is Runway ML. You can find it on your browser at runwayml.com. It's very affordable. However, since this video is about free or low-cost solutions, we'll use artflow.ai. First, go to artflow.ai and create a free account. Then, click on the Video Studio tab in the sidebar and open a new video. Next, upload your image from the sidebar. When prompted, enable speaking animation. Choose a voice from the sidebar or upload your own audio file. You can also upload a recording of your own voice. Type whatever you want the avatar to say in the text box below. In a future video, I'll go into more detail about creating custom voices, but for now, I'll just select a voice from artflow.ai. Finally, click Export. After exporting, you'll notice an annoying watermark at the top left. Don't worry, I've got a free solution for that too. First, go to the website called media.io. On their homepage, navigate to the video section and search for the watermark remover tool. Next, upload your video. Highlight the watermark area with the green brush and boom, it's clean. Here is the final project.
A fun fact about AI animation and avatars is that they can create entire digital characters with unique personalities in seconds. No need for a Hollywood studio.
If you've watched my videos, you'll notice I only show my avatar a few times. If I kept the avatar on screen the entire time, you'd get bored. So, just show your avatar briefly at key moments to keep your audience's attention. Using a talking AI avatar is a great way to brand your channel without showing your face. It'll help you stand out from the noise on YouTube. Viewers will instantly recognize your content and be more likely to click and watch your future videos. Good luck with your projects and let me know how they turn out in the comments. I will be sure to check them out. For more YouTube AI automation tips, be sure to subscribe. And see you in the next video.